LPRO stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, it's for Wednesday, right? I'm answering whether it's a buy or a sell for me. Open Lending Corporation is melting. It is absolutely being cooked. 52% down is tough. All I'm trying to say, man, is that I was absolutely on point. So you're about to watch me brag. I'm just kidding, but this is just to me to demonstrate the proof. This was made 2 months ago, 30th of January, and also like around there. There you go. Just be bullish now. I was sitting at 637 at the time. 2 months later, cooked. Let me just do this. Okay, yeah, we have the lows. The likelihood of this thing just keeps melting down is still quite tough and high, so obviously we'll continue to keep you updated. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Other than that, everything else is noise. Goodbye and enjoy.